In the previous two parts, we have seen how fractions can be converted to decimal fractions, and these were the steps we had followed. How do we convert a fraction like 11 9/40 into the decimal fraction form? This is a mixed fraction where 11 is the whole part and 9/40 is the fractional part. Now tax your brain a bit. Would you convert this mixed fraction to an improper one and then use our steps to get the decimal fraction? You can do that, but that's definitely not the best method. This is actually 11 plus 9/40, so all we really need to do is convert 9/40 into a decimal fraction without bothering about the whole part. So we just need to convert the fractional part. The first step is to divide the numerator by the denominator. Don't forget, we are looking only at 9/40 now. We divide 9/40. We add a 0 here as the remainder of 9 divided by 40 is not 0. 40 times 2 is 80. 90 minus 80 is 10. As the remainder is still not 0, we add another 0 here and write it underneath. 40 times 2 is 80. 100 minus 80 is 20. The remainder is still not 0. So we add another 0 and write it here. 40 times 5 is 200. Finally, we get a remainder of 0. We added 3 zeros here. After we get the remainder as 0, we have to place the decimal point in the quotient, and that depends on the number of zeros we added. As we added 3 zeros, we write the quotient as 0.225. Don't forget, the original fraction was 11 9/40. Adding 11 with 0.225, we get the decimal fraction as 11.225. So keep in mind that when you want to convert a mixed fraction to a decimal fraction form, convert only the fractional part and then add it to the whole part.